Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I am going to show you how to add Google Chrome on right click menu. Now you see here, no Google Chrome shown here, right click menu. Now I am going to show you how to add Google Chrome in right click menu. Okay, let's start the video. Now press window key and type reg edit. Now click on run as administrator. This is our registry. Double click on first option. Now select here directory. After select directory, select background. After this, select shell. Right click on shell. Click on new. Click on key. Type here name Google Chrome. After this, right click on Google Chrome. Select new. Select key. Type here command. Okay. Now you see here code here. Now copy Google Chrome path. Click on Chrome. Click on open location. Right click on Chrome. Show more option. Open folder location. Right click on Chrome. Press shift key and right click on Chrome. Select copy path. Okay. After this, double click on this default. Paste here. Path. Click on OK. Now minimize or close this registry editor. Now right click on main menu. Now check Google Chrome is open. Right click menu. Okay. That's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.